Hello, it's like here to show you the coloring of it. You see how old is water. It's like you got the question right there is for how old is water, and then along with a few raindrops, rain droplets, and it's like this. You get to have it to where the question is how old is water. It's like how old it is, and per se it's kind of like is a study as to where it comes from, but a lot of people would probably say 4.5 billion years old is like how water is formed. It's like if it's formed by the base of the planets or whatever, or it could be the soil, the type of soil that water could be found from, like the clouds. It's like so far as the temperature wise, or it could be the fact about the study about water is that if you do any water drilling or whatever you call it, defrost. It's like so you got the rain cloud right there along with the stream of water, and it's like with you got the stream of water, but of course like you got the magnifying glass right here is to where if you do the study research about water, that if it's like so far as the rain cloud right here, and then along with the planets, like do some research about exactly about if it's water's formed by say the soil of the planet. The temperature is that it's like a lot of people would probably say that that's a good source of forms of life, is that if there was water discovered, is so far as for water that you have right here is a stream right here with some the rocks and stuff. You got the stream of water, and along with so you got the mountain type, and then along with the river, or it could be the lake stream, or it could be swampy type area. And right here is like you get the water purifier. Is that the water, the water that you purify it, to make it clean, and then along with it you got the starfish, and then along right here you got the rainbow. But well, you got the frozen ice, but so you begin to warn about water that whenever you say this, so far as the whole form about life, is that whenever life began, that more likely that water was was frozen until it defrosted, and then later on, and then became a fact about that you see got these raindrops right here, and it start forming into like a clear, say, liquid. I don't know if that's a study of chemistry, science, or whatever you call it, but it's like water's formed just by ice glaciers, and then after that, and it's defrosted, and then it forms like a fountain. You got the fountain right here, the water fountain. Is that you got the fountain, or you have the waterfall. You got the waterfall right here, and then after that, and then so you got the clear starfish, but and then along with the rainbow. But right here is that we all probably know that most of our water does not really come. Some of it comes, you say, from the water company, but then some of it, more likely, it's like it comes from, like, say, the streams, and then it's repurified, or whatever it is that they add the chemicals and it do the cleaning. But a lot of times is that we had that to where get a lot of our water supply just by the piping, and you got the water streams, and along with the water faucet right there. And then along right here, so you got the cloth for cleaning. You got the clean cloth right here. But you begin to wonder about the whole question about how old is water, and really how long has it been around for. And more likely, I guess, is that the best answer would probably be for that is how it's formed. It's like the study of how it's formed. And then the fact about is to the idea of a water purifier, that it goes in that real dirty. It goes in real, say, with a few pollutants and organisms in there, and it's repurified, and it comes out clear. But you got the waterfall right here, which I've never really seen one, but they have the waterfall right here that they say that the time is like the discovery of what keeps the water going. But more likely it's either due to soil or that's it's defrosted by say the ice glaciers. But you say the answer could be in many ways. Either planet X, so you got the planet made of like a solid ice, and then you could have the answer to 4.5 billion years old, or it's like a formed by the cloud. It's formed by the cloud, and then it's like say hemisphere is that the clouds orbit into the sky until they change temperature, and then that's whenever any of the evaporation that comes from the clouds that and then when it reaches to that certain temperature that then it turns to rain, and then that's whenever it rains. But so far, and then you have the form of the rainbow right here. But you got the study, and then the 45 billion years, and so far with the clear. And you just wonder is that we pretty much use water every day, no matter if it's cleaning, washing the car, or if it's doing laundry, or it could be to drink it or whatever. But I guess the best study for water is the fact about how old it is for how old the study is. Like so far as the study is to define the study about something new that is like so far other than the water purifier is something that which you say is that that more likely the water don't really come from the stream, more like it comes from the study about the temperature, about if it's melted or not, it's defrosted or whatever, and it's I say the type of a science study, or it could be archaeology type study. But so far as for the best answer for is like how old is water is like it's like the form of the study of how it's discovered, how it's made, and how it could be clean. They keep it clean, for to be clear. But so far as for how old is water, you got the coloring along with the rainbow and along with the water faucet. And so far as the raindrops, it's like so far with the rainbow looking type weather. So far as like you got the plant right here along with the waterfall and the stream of water, and so far as the water, and how old is water color.